tests are very sensitive. So pretty much they won't miss a lot of people who have been infected, but they're very specific, but not perfectly specific. And so that means that, let's say, 2% of people who are tested will have positive tests that shouldn't be positive. But then if you go into a population where there's only a small number of cases, that 2% becomes 50% or more, because anybody who's positive, right, if you use these antibodies before this outbreak happened, anybody who was positive would be a false positive test. Right now in our area, for example, I think the prevalence of COVID-19 is small enough that there are many, many people who would have positive tests that wouldn't necessarily demonstrate immunity. Somebody actually had disease and then they had a positive test. That's terrific. But I think just putting it into a population right now, we run the risk of falsely predicting that people would be protected when they're not. And so the tests just have to be tweaked a little bit more to make them a little bit more specific. And then I think there'll be a good way to do prevalence testing, so determine how much disease is in the population and also try to help people figure out whether they're immune or not.